Tomorrow, the universe changes. Tomorrow, our galaxy collides with another. It's true. The Milky Way, our home, is on a crash course with the Andromeda Galaxy. This isn't science fiction. It's the awesome reality of our universe. For billions of years, these two galaxies have hurtled towards each other. Now, the moment of truth is almost here. What will happen when these titans clash? What will become of our little planet, lost in this cosmic maelstrom? The answers are both terrifying and awe-inspiring. The Milky Way, a swirling spiral of stars, gas, and dust, is home to billions of stars, including our own sun. It's vast, stretching 100,000 light-years across. But the Milky Way is not alone. Andromeda, our nearest galactic neighbor, is a giant. It's even bigger than the Milky Way, a vast collection of 1 trillion stars. Andromeda is currently 2.5 million light-years away, but it's closing in fast. Imagine tomorrow night the sky erupts with light. Andromeda, a hazy smudge in the sky, begins to grow larger, brighter. The first sign of the collision won't be a crash, but a show of light. As the two galaxies approach each other, their gravitational fields begin to interact. Huge streamers of gas and dust are pulled out, creating dazzling arcs of light across the cosmos. This cosmic dance is beautiful, but deadly. Section 4. Cosmic Chaos and the Dance of Gravity. The collision won't be a head-on crash. Instead, the galaxies will pass through each other, their stars swirling and scattering like dust motes in the wind. Gravity will wreak havoc. Stars will be flung out of their orbits, sent hurtling through space. Gas clouds will collide, igniting in a firestorm of starbirth. Supernovae, the explosive deaths of stars, will erupt like cosmic fireworks. The universe as we know it will be forever changed. Section 5. A new galactic dawn. But what about Earth? It's unlikely that our sun will collide directly with another star. The distances between stars are vast, even in a galactic collision. However, that doesn't mean we're safe. Gravity is the real threat. The Milky Way and Andromeda will continue to interact, eventually merging to form one giant elliptical galaxy. Our solar system could be flung outward, our night sky forever altered. Or we could be drawn towards the heart of the new galaxy where a supermassive black hole lurks. The future is uncertain. Yet, even in the face of this cosmic upheaval, there is hope. Life on Earth has survived cataclysmic events before. Perhaps, just perhaps, we will find a way to adapt and thrive in our new galactic home. The universe is a place of endless wonder and change. Tomorrow that change comes to our doorstep.